travel caught up. What we're doing is lots of stuff. Lots of stuff and things to go in here. So, welcome to this rushed video of today of LS House. It's been a while guys, but we've been working hard. Reese's car's finally running. Happy? So, there's a lot of work getting here. Been working flat out. Killed multiple ECUs, but we got it in the end. It's got all these little gauges set up. Let's put the bloody tuning relay back in. Haven't filmed jack shit, eh? Where should I start? Alright, so been a long ass night. Not sure what the lighting's like, it's quite dark. But you can see, no you can't. There's a muffler down there. Reese's crap. And we've all smashed out the exhaust. Just got to weld those 2 sensor bungs in. They're tacked in. And a few other little bits and pieces, but she's all together. Just a quick, ugly little job, just for the track. As you know, it's what is Monday? Actually, I think it's past 12 o'clock, so it's nearly Tuesday. So we got 3 or 4 days to get to Matsuri. So it's fast and as quick as possible. I can't get down there and show you, there's no light anyway. But I'll start it up and we can have a little listen. That's a bit better. Sounds pretty good actually. That's the hoist. And I think she's found the plugs from earlier, but yeah, she's running really rich. Don't know why that is. Probably because the O2 sensors aren't wired in properly. But yeah, we're gonna end this one. I'll continue on tomorrow. It's late, I want to get home. So see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. It is Tuesday morning. We stayed up till 1 o'clock last night after we finished the exhaust, packing up and starting it up, running it up as you would have seen. So the exhaust is all done. O2 sensor bungs are welded in there. Done them on the car and fast, so mind the ugliness. But that's what this was all about. We just wanted to get it smashed out. Actually turned out pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. It's all nice and solid. Doesn't really move at all, to be honest. It's pretty good. So to put the O2 sensor bungs in, and I'm going to call it on this one, and then I reckon Reese can manage to make a screamer pipe from there out to here, because I've done more than enough, and I want to get onto my car and get a bit done on that. So I'm not sure if I would have shown you already, but it's got the new cooler on there, a couple of little things, new front runners are all fitted, ready to go. The old exhaust is back on it, new gearboxes in it, and yeah. So I just want to spend a little bit of time on my car, get a little bit more done, stop spending so much time on everyone else's like I knew would happen. But that's what you do, because we all need to get to the track and have some fun. But yeah, next up will be, I'll show you, I've done the hydro setup in this actually. I didn't film that, I was just trying to smash out as much as possible. So new hydro setup, new brake lines there and there. Welded a shifter on to the original shifter just to make everything a bit more comfy for me. So I'll go down on the hoist after I move a few things out, and I'll show you the setup we've got going on that at the moment. But yeah, we're very close. We've only got 3 more days until we're going to be there. So 2 days of prep. I want to finish all my prep today so I don't have to stress, but I guarantee you that ain't going to work out like that. But yeah, I'm going to move this thing out, move BJ's thing out, clean up the shed a little bit, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a second. Got all the cars out, just running the SS up. Yeah, gonna run the SS up, and I've just put a bit of extra spring pressure in it, so turn the boost up a little bit. It was running about 2.75 pounds of boost, so we want to make a little bit more than that. So we're gonna put a little bit of spring pressure in it. Already did that. Now we're gonna let it warm up and then do some pulls on the hoist, see what it's gonna make now. Wreck that thing sounds good. Show you me shifter and me handbrake, gear selector. Key word being shifter. So gear selector, nice and comfy, and then our handbrake, LS House. Genuine Toyota shifter. It's good. Alright, let this puppy warm up and we'll see what we make on the dodgy little boost gauge. I love this car. Hopefully we have a good time at Matsuri. Should do. We've worked hard for it. One little pull. She's got a bit of a rich spot, so I have to get a laptop onto it. I won't be able to do that today because the laptop's at home. Oh, and I just stalled it. But yeah, need to get a laptop on her, take some fuel out. She's a bit rich, but we'll do a pull so you can hear it anyway.
That's the whole of the screw. No, that's not the bit.
Alright, yep, you're in then. Try and keep that drill straight. I can see you walking the drill.
Ain't nobody do it like I really do it. I was coming on and everybody looking like the fuse that flower don't go without water. That bass sound so distorted. Yeah, that bite just come like pythons, venom dripping with the lights on. Better have them bloody eyes on, cause see, I just be that icon. That's word of Jada Smith, that's word of David Blank. Yeah, rappers hit his flow, they show them mouths and close them burns. Give me that price. Give me that noise. I rip it into itty bitty pieces, that's what the fucking pieces, man, I do it all night. You don't wanna mess with this, no feet, ain't nobody could have stepped in this, no me. Get a million, a little bit of time, yo, with a little bit of that wine, yo. Drunk thoughts hit that mind, yo. Sitting in the shit with no shine, yo, but that's okay with mine, yo. Eyes wide open, no blind, yo. Vibing, hey, vibing, ow, vibing, hey, vibing, ow, vibing. Even when I'm sleeping, I'll be vibing. Every fucking season, I'll be vibing. Head bobbing to that tone, cause I